let's get to the brief introduction of boiled eggs. Today we are taking a look at boiled eggs. A brief introduction. In today's video, we are diving into the 10 amazing health benefits of boiled eggs and how adding them to your diet can improve your overall well-being. Health benefits of boiled eggs. 1. High in protein. Why it matters? Protein is essential for the body as it supports muscles growth, repair, and the production of enzymes and hormones. Boiled eggs contain about 6 grams of high quality protein per egg. The protein in eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source. Consuming adequate protein is important for maintaining healthy muscle tissue, repair, and overall body function. 2. Support brain health. Why it really matters? Eggs are one of the best sources of choline, a nutrient that is vital for brain health. Choline helps in the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that plays a role in mood, memory, and cognitive functions. Eating eggs regularly can improve mental clarity and may lower the risk of cognitive decline as you age. The brain is 60% fat, and eggs also contain omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for brain health. 3. Boost immune system. Why it matters most? Boiled eggs are packed with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, B6, B12, and selenium, which plays a crucial role in strengthening the immune system. Vitamin A helps maintain the skin and mucous membrane, your body's first line of defense against infection, while B vitamin boosts energy and vitality, ensuring your immune system functions optimally. Selenium is a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from oxidative stress. 4. Promotes eye health. Why it matters? Eggs contain powerful antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are essential for eye health. These antioxidants help protect the eyes from harmful UV light and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration (AMD) and cataract. The presence of this nutrient in boiled eggs makes them a fantastic food for preserving vision, especially as you age. 5. Aid in weight loss. Why it matters? Eggs are low in calories but high in protein, which makes them a perfect addition to a weight loss diet. Protein helps you feel full for longer, reducing hunger and preventing overeating. Additionally, the amino acid in protein help boost metabolism, leading to better fat burning. Eating a boiled egg as part of a balanced meal or snack can help curb your appetite and support weight management. 6. Support heart health. Despite past concern about cholesterol, recent research shows that eating eggs in moderation can be beneficial for heart health. Boiled eggs contain heart-healthy monosaturated and polyunsaturated fats. This fat can help improve your cholesterol profile by raising good HDL cholesterol level while lowering harmful LDL cholesterol levels. Moreover, eggs are rich in omega-3 fatty acid, which can reduce inflammation and help protect against heart disease. 7. Promote healthy hair and skin. The protein, biotin, and vitamins in egg are key to maintaining healthy hair and skin. Biotin is particularly important for strong, healthy hair as it plays a role in the production of keratin, the protein that makes up hair strands. The vitamin A in eggs also help keep skin healthy by supporting cell growth and repairing tissues, while vitamin E help protect the skin from free radical damage. Number 8. Good for bone health. Boiled eggs provide a good amount of vitamin D, which is essential for bone health because it helps the body absorb calcium more efficiently. Vitamin D also plays a role in reducing the risk of bone fractures and osteoporosis. This makes eggs an excellent addition to a diet aimed at improving bone strength and overall skeletal health. 9. Regulate cholesterol level. Why it matters? Eggs have been shown to have a neutral or even positive effects on cholesterol levels. While eggs do contain cholesterol, studies suggest that for most people, eating egg doesn't raise bad cholesterol levels. In fact, eggs may help balance cholesterol by increasing HDL, that is good cholesterol level. For individuals with healthy cholesterol level, consuming boiled eggs in moderation can be part of a balanced diet. 10. Easy to prepare and versatile. One of the best parts of boiled eggs is how simple and convenient they are to make. They can be prepared in advance and stored in the fridge for a quick snack or added to salads, sandwiches, and even breakfast bowls. Whether you are at home or on the go, boiled eggs are an affordable, nutritious, and versatile food that can fit into any diet. Boiled eggs are quick to make, easy to carry, and can be added to a variety of dishes. In conclusion, to sum it all up, boiled eggs are a powerhouse of nutrition, offering numerous health benefits and support. Everything from muscle growth to heart health and brain function. Whether you are looking to lose weight, boost your immunity, or improve your skin and hair, boiled eggs can play an important role in your daily diet. They are nutritious, affordable, and easy to prepare. If you haven't yet, start adding boiled eggs to your meals today and let us know in the comment how they have helped you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips. Thanks for watching.